your
smoking on board.
camera wasn't turned.
We're leaving the Susquehanna Plantation area.
A little bit.
That field there has been planted in corn and tobacco. You can see one of our farm hands over there tending to the corn. The tobacco's been neatly planted in those mounds. It'll be covering those mounds eventually. Get enough rain, maybe today.
Yeah, I think so.
Corn and tobacco were the two principal crops in the Susquehanna Plantation when that White House there sat in the Tidewater Basin of Maryland, before the American Civil War. Across the road over there, those limestone buildings that comprise the Cotswold cottages, they're the oldest of all of our buildings in the early 1600s. They were actually disassembled in England, packed in boxes, all bricks numbered, and sent over to the States here, reassembled. Because they numbered those things, it made it a whole lot easier to put it back together. There's some candles anything over here by the window. You get a chance to go on back, take a set of candles to your dining table. That's all box farmhouse. This is Daggett Farmhouse, 1754. Built in West Andover, Connecticut. Is an independent, non-profit educational institution, and we depend on your gated admissions program here. For that, I'd like to thank you all for being with us. Hope you're having a great day today. We're going to check with our visitor services on the way out about potential membership here at Greenfield Village and Waterford. You can exchange year-long membership. Check it out at visitor services on the way out. We're entering the Oxbow Island District of the Village, related for the assessment board to the back 40. It's actually the largest water reclamation project in all of Southeast Asia. Back in the mid-1970s, Army for years diverted the flow of the Rouge River to cement riverbanks here. More recently, we've allowed some of that water to flow back to the natural riverbed and lives here. With the return of that water to the area, we've seen the return of all kinds of species and plants and animals. For nearly 40 years. Our woods is now home to small little white-tailed deer. We're out in spot fox, rabbits, squirrels, skunks, all the usual habitats of the woods. We had a few coyote sightings here last week.
Wow.
Last year we were home to a nesting pair of bald eagles, and we spotted a few eagles again this year. Proof that cleaning up the environment, adding water back in the environment, that's all kinds of issues that are again as well. The locomotive pulling our train today to Thomas Edison was built expressly for Greenfield Village in 1932 at the Rouge Locomotive Works here in Dearborn. It's a composite locomotive built from 3 others. Some of the parts in that engine up there date to the 1870s. The Edison and the Greenfield steam locomotive, unfortunately, are historical pieces. We're very proud of evidence of pulling our trains here at Greenfield Village. They represent another era in this country. The American Railroad was a rapidly growing industry, moving people and goods across the country faster than we could ever imagine before. American railroading changed the face of this concept. Were critical in introducing the industrial age to this country. We're bringing the train to a stop here. It's not a place to get on or off. We're actually doing a routine mechanical procedure known as an engine blowdown. Firemen will be climbing down from the cab. We'll be turning a valve that's going to release 4 long blasts of steam from the left side of the locomotive. Great photo opportunity here if you want to slide to the left side of the car. You can stand up too if you're very careful. You're going to miss a great photo if you sit down.
You gotta sit up here.
He knows what he's doing.
Sometimes takes a while to get the first blast off, but once he gets going, it's usually a pretty fast procedure here.
Your camera's not upstairs, Mom.
You might have noticed there are 2 men working up in the cab, the fireman and the engineer.
There you go.
The engineer actually, there you go. The engineer is the actual driver of the locomotive. The Fireman keeps the firebox full of coal burning all the time. It's what boils the water, creates the steam that powers this locomotive up there and pulls the train. Right now we're releasing these blasts of steam from the boiler to help clear the boiler from scaling and debris that forms in there due to the natural process of boiling water. Think about your steam line at home. You don't clean it periodically. This is what we're doing here, allowing our engine to operate more efficiently by taking out some of the steam. We gotta get one more blast out there.
So do we.
These were supposed to be charged. I don't know what How many do you have? Two.
If you were moving around or if you're not seated, you want to return to your seats, please. We should be moving here shortly. You're going to hear a couple of blasts on the whistle up there. That means we'll be moving forward. As soon as we get some pressure built up back in the locomotive there. Here we go. We're going to be continuing our journey through the Oxbow Island District. The island itself, sitting out there in the river, we'll be passing it shortly. This is one of the sites of our Discovery Camp program. We've added some campsites, canoe livery, and a hiking trail. We do camping here for children June to August every year. If you've got some more interest in our camping program or in our wetlands project or the Oxbow Island itself, you might want to check with visitor services on your way out. We've got some additional sheets for you. Also, you can always look us up online at henryford.org. That's at henryford.org. They'll have the latest information on programs and events listed out there for you. We're approaching a campsite here. This is our U.S. Forest Ranger campsite. You might have noticed in the village a mounted forest ranger on horseback. Well, there he is right now. The ranger provides information to our camping children here. Forest conservation. Again, part of our Discovery Camp program here.
You guys want to go camping?
If you look on the right down the bank up there, you can see the Rouge River and its natural riverbed. Please do not lean outside the car. The Rouge was once one of the most polluted bodies of water in the world. Now, because of local cleanup efforts and our electric project, it's no longer true. In fact, we're home, a watering hole anyway, for some rare species of birds. We have the spot between here and down there. We have a spot in the last one through here. Hence, occasionally, egrets will drop in as well. More proof that cleaner water and cleaner environment are attracting all kinds of rare species back in the area. We're now leaving the Oxbow Island District. That's Walnut Grove over there. Home playing field for our two historic baseball teams. Our season is in full swing right now. You guys are playing most Saturdays of the summer and Sundays as well at 1:30 p.m. Guys play by the rules of 1867. They wear the uniform of the day as well. The uniform did not include a baseball glove. They weren't invented back in 1867. And some of the rules included no spitting and no cursing.
Really? No spitting.
Kind of hard to play a baseball game like that today. Nice day, the sun's kind of popping through here finally. You can see the backside of some of our porches and colors homes. That large 3-story house there with a brick extension. The back ones belong to Noah Webster. And gave us the first American dictionary. Right next door to Noah, here in the village, is the home of Robert Frost, that little cottage-like home there. That was Robert Frost's home when he was a poet in residence at the University of Michigan. buildings that we're now fortunate to meet campus and Ford Academy. Academy is a charter school and joint venture with Ford Motor Company, Wayne County Regional Services. We had about 400 students in this last term, grades 9 through 12. School is officially done for the summer. Both students and teachers are on a much deserved break. The Academy here is a proud successor to the long tradition of schools in Greenfield Village. We opened as a school in 1929. The original 28 buildings were actually classrooms for those first students.